Good evening, you two. A little bit of a sleepy vlog today because this morning I was up until 3 pre-ordering the new iPhone 5. And I know it's hard for me to be really enthusiastic when I'm sleepy, but I am really enthusiastic about my iPhone getting here. What I really want to do is go and sit on the front porch and stay there for 2 weeks with my hands sort of outstretched, ready to receive my iPhone from the postman. But of course I'm not going to do that for a variety of reasons. Alright, so it's been forever since I've done a vlog. School started happening, and the first 2 weeks of school my schedule usually becomes pretty messed up because I forget how to prioritize all of my hobbies. And also, since my schedule has become a little more organized in the past week, I think I can begin vlogging regularly again and maybe get around to the hypermiling vlog and possibly vlogs on other things. On another note, in about 5 days, or 4 when you're actually going to see this, I will be turning 20. I am curiously ambivalent about turning 20, as in, I don't know how to feel about it. I mean, on one hand, it's a little bit disembodying, but on another hand, it's a little exciting because it means that I've been here for 2 decades. And then the fact that I'm turning 20 kind of makes me feel small. Like, the fact that I'm just turning 20 and things like the Parthenon have been around for thousands of years. Or I'm turning 20 and it was only in the 1960s that we finally started going to space. Or the fact that I'm turning 20 and my male parental unit is turning 50 because we share a birthday 30 years apart. And I realize being nervous about turning 20 is really just a big giant first world problem. Like, I shouldn't even be worried about it. The fact is, 20 years is incredibly young, and I still have a long time to make a difference in the world. Whether that be 6 more decades, or 10, or in the case of us reaching a state of negligible senescence, perhaps longer than that, but I'm just trying to be an optimist. Alright, enough about me being curiously ambivalent about turning 20. So I've been auditing this class on Tuesdays and Thursdays called The Philosophy of Physics, and it's a completely fascinating class. I love it. And lately we've been discussing the Ptolemaic and the Copernican models of the solar system. And at the end of the class, I had this thought, and honestly, it's probably not even a very unique thought. But in a way, aren't we all sort of astronauts? I mean, think about it. We're on a planet called Earth. And in a way, that planet is a space vessel. So we're on this space vessel that's traveling through the solar system at about 107,225 kilometers per hour, give or take, because it's not actually a constant speed, which is in the solar system, which is orbiting the Milky Way galaxy at about 792,000 kilometers per hour, once again, not a constant speed, which is traveling within the local group, which is within the Virgo supercluster, which is within the universe. So in a way, we're all sort of astronauts, whether we like it or not, traveling through space on a self-sustaining space vessel. That's it. That's all I have. I know this was a short vlog, but since I was up until 3 a.m. this morning and it's currently 11:14 p.m., I'm pretty tired, so I think I'm going to go to bed and sleep for a solid 7.5 hours. You two, I'll see you next time.